The shared services of electric scooter and bicycle have flooded cities of the West Coast like Los Angeles, Santa Monica and San Francisco in recent months. Despite some complaints and some acts of vandalism, it's only a matter of time before they reach the East, en masse too. One of the first companies to launch today in Washington, D.C. His name is Skip, and he was initiated by Sanjay Dastoor and Tran, the same pair that created the boosted board. Skip's scooter battery lasts approximately 30 miles, and they have a maximum speed of around 18 miles per hour. Skip works like most other sharing services without a scooter. Skip charges $1 per trip, and 15 cents per minute, according to a TechCrunch profile today. You can leave the scooter anywhere within certain limits. Presumably the company's terms of service and privacy agreements are not yet published on its website, and a team of volunteer loaders will be paid to collect the fees. They are running out of juice. One way that Skip will try to differentiate himself from competitors like Bird or Lime is the quality of his scooters. Where those other companies use smaller and more agile scooters created by Xiaomi, Skip has apparently modified the bigger and tougher ones from a Singapore company called Minimotors. They have full suspension, a wider driving area and head and tail lights. Finally, Skip will manufacture its own scooters.